Good evening. I'm Mike Emesha, Square, right? How to use this KingDraw. Of course, once you open it, this is what it's going to show. This is going to show draw, work, blah 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 blah. Okay, this free mode, that is, this is not premium. Since it's free mode, what you do is this local can only carry one detail. If you look at my cloud now, there are three things I've done. I can open it. Sorry. Let me download. Okay, you see, it has come to my normal local, and then I can open it and edit. So this is like the work I did the first time for myself. So you see, alright, that's by the way. Now the reason why I'm showing you that is that this your local, you can only have one file in your local because there isn't you get a free mode. So what you do most time to save your file, you upload them on the cloud part. So how do I upload them? Because you click on it for a long time and then you upload on cloud. After you've uploaded on cloud, you're free to delete it. So you can delete it. Then when next you need it, you can come back to cloud and download it. That's basically reason for that. Okay, so since my local is empty now, I can add one new dashboard. Alright. At the bottom are all the tools you actually need to make a standard, a standard chemical structure. So I can take this for example. The first one is just like a bond, single bond. This one is double bond. If I take this, 3 bonds. If I take this, an arrow to show reaction. If I take this, a bond as well. If I take this, a bond as well. If I take this, a bond. So you get. If I take this, means I want to write. If I click anywhere, it's going to show me to write. Just I want to write the name of the. If I take this, this. If I take this, if I take this, if I take this, take this, just like that, and you see like this one is for things like all these your how do you call them now? All these your cellulose. Now the structures appear something like this. You can use this to draw those structures and have a perfect structure. Okay, I can actually, if you check here, there's an erase tool. You can pick the erase tool and then erase anything. Pick erase tool. Erase anything. Anything that what I'm doing basically is like when you erase from your book. Take, you know, that use the eraser to rub it. I'm basically using the eraser to rub the space, and then everything has been erased. Yes, my workspace is set again. So now look at on that place. I want to show you. If you look here, I want to pick those 3 lines there. You see like hash sign. That one will show you grid line. And what's the essence of the grid line? It kind of helps you to know exactly like a boundary. Kind of gives you how to arrange your work in line. So that's basically. So first, let me draw benzene. Okay, before that, show you the meaning of everything. This one means to save. So you can save your work after every drawing. Try to save so you don't lose your work. Probably your phone goes off easily. This place is to export. So after drawing all the things you want to draw, you want to export it as image. You can click that place to export it. Always change it to PDF so that you can save on your phone. And then, like I said earlier on, here is your eraser. There are different types of erasers, of course. You can, when you click it for long, other options will show. Either you delete or you erase. Now and then here is color. Let's say you want to color your work. You can come and color it. And then this place is your alignment. Should it go up or down? That is sorry. Should we go to the left alignment, right alignment, up, down, and then the layers, of course, should it be on top or at the bottom? So you can also arrange the layers right here. For example, I can draw something like this, benzene ring, and then I draw something like this. Which should be on top? I can come here and say, okay, this one should be on top, or this one should be at the bottom. You can decide their layers from here. Which should be on top and which one should be at the bottom. That's actually the basis of the layer. I think if you click on 3D, you can see it clearly. I think only one of them is showing here. Okay, let's click on 3D. The 2 of them are supposed to show. You see, that's basically it. Alright, one of them is a benzene ring, the other is not a benzene ring. Of course, you should know to that. Of course, there's also a possibility that you can join them. Okay, let's try. Delete that. Because you have 2 benzene rings. A benzene ring, and then have another benzene ring. Sorry. And you can have another benzene ring. You just have to click the right place. You have 100 benzene. Of course, and you can arrange them like that. There are structures that actually require to throw something like this. You are able to do them. How do you make sure that they get attached? Like, look at. Let's say I want to add the next benzene ring somewhere here. All I have to do is to click on and then touch that particular place. You see, to be added there. So just like that, you can add as many benzene rings together to form a structure. Okay, that's by the way. Right. The next thing is, okay, how do you, or let's say you want to draw a compound. Okay, let me show you this part. All your elements are shown here. All your elements. You see 3 lines at the bottom of that place. That 3 line, when you click it, it's going to lead you to the periodic table. So you can access more elements. So let's say you need sulfur, you need other elements that are not visible here. Of course, you can come and explore here. And then this place will show you functional groups. Yeah, so when you click it, you see more functional groups. Of course, you can always click for more. So that's basically it. And of course, this place here is like what we call pick tool. See, that place, if you want to touch your screen and nothing will write, that's the place to touch. So if I touch here, I can touch my screen and nothing will be written. Of course, I can be moving my screen set. But if let's say I touch here and I'm doing like this, something will be written. Shake it. So if I touch my screen as many times as possible, something must be written. Let's wipe this. Let's wipe. I'm using the eraser actually to remove everything. So, but if I touch here, of course I can then freely move my hand and touch it and then nothing will be written down. So let us draw something. Let's say we draw something like let's draw a compound. Phenol or methyl-phenol. Of course, you can have an isotope of that. So you put, sorry, that's a thick one. Let's take a lighter one. Put one here, sorry. And touch the place exactly. Now on this top, I want to put OH. I'll click on the O and then touch the top. OH has been added. At this corner, I want to put CH3. I click on the C and then touch the edge. You see? Methyl-phenol. I can also draw on that methyl-phenol here. This time around, okay, let's put our bond first, single bond. Let's make it para. My OH on top here, and then C here. Simple. And then of course, you know that since you are writing, you can write the name, or you can click on this place to highlight, and then ask it to give you the name. See, compound to name. The name of the compound is going to show. Just allow it to load a bit. I think you need the data for this. It's going to show. You see, for methyl-phenol. You can as well come here and then ask for the name. So if you draw something you don't know the name, you can ask for the name at any time, and then the name will be given to you. So having drawn these two now, you can decide to arrange them well. Now, having arranged them, first of all, these are not the only 2 things that I would just want to download. I can zoom in like this. Sorry, click on your hand here, zoom in or zoom out, then push up. You can then draw something else at the bottom here. Draw something else. So you can draw 1, 2, 3 in the horizontal, 1, 2, 3, 4, then draw it down like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you can download. How do you do that? Of course, I want you to always save your work. After saving, you can export. You click on the export button and then you choose JPEG and you save. Once you save, your work will show. But before that, always try to write your detail on top. How? Click on this A here. Let me show you alphabet. You see like your math number. You click on it, then click on an empty space here. Now before you write, change your setting. Change the writing to like number 20 and then make it bold. So the way I set it first, 20 bold before I start typing. So I can say pharmaceutical chemistry. Right? Then you enter pharmaceutical chemistry course code. So department now is pharmaceutical chemistry. Course code. You write it, let's say PCH 312 class 300 level B. Math number, because they said you needed our math number. So you write your PHA. Of course, your math number is 203. You complete it just like that, and then you click on OK. Wait, I'm coming. It seems like this setting was not affected. The setting was not affected. I can highlight it and then bold it. You saw what I did. I highlighted, bold, and then confirm. So first, this will be like the beginning of the whole stuff. It's like your heading, such that when you are done, you can decide to centralize, or you can decide to. You can come back here again, as usual, and click here. It's going to be centered. Let me press at the center. So that should be the first thing you do before you start drawing. Then I can use my hand to touch, of course. And you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. So this one will be like number 1, then number 2, then go down number 3, number 4. After drawing in like 5 places, you download that image. You draw on that. You open a new file. But when you open a new file now, you don't need to put this heading again. It's just like continuation. Number 7, number 8, just like that. You number until you are done. God bless you.